I have here the code and circuit for the Signal-Sentry. The goal of this thing is to provide a signal out in a disaster area. The area for these things to fly through will be defined by an operator. Upon startup, the operator is going to be prompted whether or not they want to terminate the program. If the operator decides no, the drone is going to navigate the designated area. It's going to go ahead and land in that area. It's going to wait a period of time. It's going to establish a connection, or attempt to establish a connection. If it does not establish a connection, it's going to start back at the search, navigate the search area sequence. At which point, it's going to try to re-land. It's going to try to set up another connection, and it's going to do that upwards of 3 times before the operator gets prompted to end the program. If the drone is to land and it does have a successful connection, it's gonna enter a deep sleep mode. It's gonna wait a period of time. It's gonna wake up. It's gonna perform a connection check. If the connection's still good, it's just gonna go ahead and re-enter deep sleep mode and continue that cycle. If the connection is broken, the drone will go ahead and start a new search within the designated area and start its program from there. At any point, the operator can terminate the program, at which point the drone will fly home and then land and then terminate the program itself. So here's all the code to get that done, but let's go ahead and start this up and see how it runs. So we start up, we're prompted whether or not we want to terminate the program. Here's our yes button. We're going to go ahead and hit no. You can see our drone runs at full speed because here we land. Our drone slowly lands. LED flashes to signify we're searching for a connection. We did not have a successful connection, so our drone is on the move. If I come within a close distance, our motor slows down, half speed, slows down for landing. Looking for a connection, the switch signifies whether or not we have a connection. Our LED remains lit to signify that we have a stable connection, and it'll continue this cycle of deep sleep and connection check. If during the deep sleep the connection is broken, upon next connection check, it's going to go ahead and unlight the LED. It's going to start navigating the area again, and from there our motor speed is going to be adjusted by proximity to an object. And here we go, continuing the cycle. Now this will continue for 3 cycles, and then the user is going to be prompted whether or not they want to terminate the program. In this case, to save ourselves the time of having to do all that, I'm just going to go ahead and end our sequence here manually. So here we are. I go ahead and terminate our program, and you can see our drone is on the way home, and then it begins its landing phase and shuts off.